doTERRA's wild orange essential oil is incredible at uplifting the mood. Find out why. Have you ever peeled an orange with your hands and smelt that incredible fragrance underneath your nails? That is the essential oil of an orange that comes from the peel. doTERRA sources their orange oil from Brazil, where hundreds of small farmers support their families by growing oranges to create this essential oil. It takes 154 orange peels to make a 45 milliliter of essential oil. This oil has over 1,500 published studies and 84 clinical trials. Now, what makes this oil unique is because of its primary chemical constituent, limonene. It's a monoterpene that's known for its cleansing properties when used as a skin or surface cleanser, as well as its stimulating and enhancing effects on moods when used aromatically. And it's packed with antioxidants. Although this oil offers great benefits when used on the skin, it may cause photosensitivity when you go out in the sun. UV rays and sunlight should be avoided for about 12 hours after applying this essential oil. If you want to learn more ways on how you can use this essential oil at home, make sure you check out my top uses for doTERRA's wild orange essential oil.